Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. I hope you are all fine at your homes. Okay, I'm here, Ms. Amina Nazir from APS&C Khanewal, and it's week 9th of FSEX Online Sport Program. And students, let's have a recap of previous lesson. In previous lesson, we have discussed the history of periodic table, means the contribution of scientists in development of the periodic table. John de Bruynere in 1817, he grouped element into triads, mean he give the rule of triad based on the atomic mass and similar properties. Secondly, the John Newlands 1863 gave the law of octaves. When placed in order of increasing atomic mass, he found that the similar properties appeared every 8 elements, means he give the rule of 8 electrons. Dmitry Mendeleev in 1869, he placed element in order of increasing atomic mass and credited with the creating first periodic table, gave us periodic law. And at the last, Henry Moseley, he arranged the table in order of increasing atomic number based on X-ray experiment, gave us modern periodic law and periodic order, table order. So this is all the scientists and its contribution in the development of periodic table. And finally, they all give us a modern periodic table. And today we will be able to understand the parts of periodic table. Okay, first of all, what is periodic table? We have to know the periodic table, a table in which the chemical elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic number. Elements with similar properties are arranged in the same column called groups, and the elements with the same number of electron shells are arranged in the same row called period. So this is the some parts of periodic table. In the periodic table, all elements are arranged according to their increasing atomic number. Okay, the parts of periodic table. First of all, Moseley introduced law of periodic law. And the periodic law is stated when the elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic number, there is a periodic pattern in their physical and chemical properties. When arranged by increasing atomic number, the chemical elements display a regular and repeating pattern of chemical and physical properties. So this is periodic law in which chemical and physical properties are repeated in a periodic manner. Period. In periodic table, the horizontal rows of the periodic table are called periods, and the periods are left to right. Horizontal rows in the periodic table is called and named as a period. Okay, students, period horizontal rows are called period, and there are 7 periods. There are 3 short and 2 medium and 2 long periods. This is 7 period, left to right horizontal row. There in periodic table there are 7 horizontal row, means 7 periods in periodic table. And the first 2 periodic table are short, but medium is to other medium, and the last one is long periods. Horizontal rows of periodic table are called periods. The elements in a periods are not similar in properties. All of the elements in a periods have the same number of atomic orbitals. Every element in the top row, the first period has 1 orbital for its electron. And all the elements in the second row, means second period, have 2 orbitals for their electrons. It goes down the periodic table like that. Okay, second part of periodic table is group. The elements in any group of periodic table have similar chemical and physical properties. The elements in a group have the same number of electrons in their outer orbital. The vertical column of the periodic table are called groups. Yes, the horizontal left to right is called period, and vertical means top to bottom is called groups. And groups are divided into two subgroups, subgroup A and subgroup B. And total groups are 9. Groups 1 to 7 have been divided into two subgroups, subgroup A and subgroup B. And subgroup A elements are called representative and normal elements, and subgroup B is called the transition elements. Group 0 consists of noble gases. Group 8 consists of 9 elements which are arranged in the triads. Okay, students, these are the subgroups, top to bottom subgroup. The subgroup, first group is alkali metal, second alkaline earth metal, and the middle subgroup B is called transition metals. Here is properties of periodic table. For example, examples of families: alkali metal, alkaline earth metal, transition metal, halogen gases, noble gases. These all are the families of periodic table. And the elements in periodic table are named alkali, alkaline, transition, halogen, and noble gases. Example of physical properties: the physical properties of elements is density, mean its weight, boiling point, melting point, conductivity, heat capacity. And the example of chemical properties is valency. Valence mean the number of outermost electrons, reactivity, and radioactivity. This is its chemical properties, and this is physical properties of periodic table. Okay, students, to understand the parts of periodic table and groups and periods, this is abbreviate and video for you to understand the parts of periodic table. So listen carefully. Columns are called groups. Group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are called representative elements. And the rows are called periods. Rows is left to right, and there are 7 periods in the periodic table. Now let's look at the groups in the middle that we skipped. They are called transition element, and it is also called subgroup B. This is subgroup A, and this is central is subgroup B, and it is also called transition metals. Transition metals will be looked in the more detail in the high chemistry, and this is not included in your syllabus right now. Okay, students, I hope you have learned from this video. And our lesson is ended here, students. Today we have discussed the parts of periodic table, periodic law, groups, and periods. Periods, the horizontal row is called period, and vertical column is called groups. And the periodic law is when the elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic number, there is a periodic repetition of their physical and chemical properties. This is periodic law. And the periodic law, modern periodic law, is introduced by the scientist Moseley. And the other parts of periodic table are here, like groups. Vertical column of periodic table numbered is from 1 to 18. And the groups is divided into two subgroups. subgroup A and subgroup B. Subgroup A elements are called representative elements and normal elements, and subgroup B is called the transition elements. Elements in each groups have similar properties. And second is period. Horizontal rows of elements on the periodic table is called period. The element increase by one proton and one electron as you go from left to right in a period. You have to learn and write part 1 and part 2 of question number 2 from review exercise. This is 2 short questions that you have to learn and write. Okay, students, thank you and Allah Hafiz.